Okay, show your mom. Oh, here's your annual fill. Keep that aside.
Hold it.
There you go. Okay, go ahead. Do the outside window. Spray as much as you need water, because if it's dirty, more water. Perfect. Yep, make sure you go over it like 2-3 times. Go, yep, all the way around the edges because of all that dirt from outside. I can't believe you can reach all the way over. And how old are you again? 12?
9.
9!
I said I wasn't 12.
Everybody was saying you were
She's
12.
12. She's the size of a 14-year-old.
Yipper. Okay, now squeegee. Squeegee, squeegee, squeegee. Look at that. And then, yep, tip it. There you go. Squeegee, squeegee. Tip it. Yeah, if you missed it, that's okay. Keep going. Look at that. Addie. Wow. Okay, now where's your medium cloth? Wipe up your... Oh, that's okay. Wipe up your blade. With the... Yep, that's... The other side's better. Yep. The medium side is better. There you go. Wipe that blade. And then if there's water right there, see the water that's built up there? Use the medium fiber to pick all that up.
Oh, there's a...
Yep, keep going. Yep, it's good. You can use the living glove as well, the window glove, but yeah, there you go. And then once you remove that water, then you can use your annual fill to dry behind around the edges, because I know that some of the little edges here, see there's a strip here? Yep. Perfect. Make that shine, because the annual fills are to shine. They don't clean, they shine and polish, right? What do you think, Addie?
I think this is fun.
I can't wait to see when we put the window up. Good thing Mom can help to hold and you can do the annuing. How do you feel? Does it look good? And if your annual fill is dirty, sometimes you'll see that it's dirty because you can see spots there. Some in there. Perfect. You can really see the difference between the two already. Look at that.
I'm doing this now.
Now this one?
Hold this.
All right, let's do it.
Oh, this is disgusting. It's more disgusting than that mess.
Look at that.
Ew.
Oh, wait. Let's put a line in here. Look at this. This is how dirty it is. I think I need to take a picture of that. I don't know if I can do a picture while I'm doing this. I don't think so. Okay, let's do it. Show me.
Look at this.
Do you want me to grab the Windex or the paper towels, or do you want to just use Enyo?
I'll use Enyo.
Better with you, right?
Yes.
Look at that expert.
I just sprayed. Look at that dirt. It went out.
Yep, because see, the dirt is there, and now we have to use the fiber to remove that dirt, right? Perfect. All right, let's use the window combi. I'm gonna come in close. Look at that. You can see it, eh? So usually when you use Enyo, you can actually see the lines of the water as you wash it. Yep.
Oh.
Yep. There you go.
Squeegee.
Now squeegee. You like this part, eh? Okay, go. Look at that. Make sure you tip it sideways. Yeah, there you go. There you go. See how you take some of it out like that? Perfect. Mom had no idea it was going to be this easy.
Yeah.
It's like icing a cake. Come on, how amazing is this? Okay, medium cloth. That medium cloth is going to be loaded, eh? Perfect. See, I always forgot that step. She's so good at remembering. You're so smart. Fold it in half. Usually I fold that fiber in half or in fours. Yep, there you go. Remember like the kitchen all-purpose we used? Yeah. And then it will just hold it all. It only holds as much as it can. Once it's loaded, you're gonna have to rinse it out and then, yep, there you go. Use the back side. Perfect. Look at this expert. I told you, I'm hiring her.
She'll be here Monday.
Yay! It's a PD day for you Monday.
What it is?
PD day, because you're going to be ENJOing. There you go. Dry off the little area that needs to be sparkled with just the edging. Perfect.
No, I haven't done. There's. You can see if you look down.
I think it's the back side too. It's the back side though. It's the back side. Look.
Yeah.
Yep, the back
Because
side.
I
We're going to do
haven't
that.
done the front yet.
Exactly. It's kind of hard to tell, eh? But when you do the other side, you're going to see.
Absolutely.
Perfect. Okay, so let's close that up and do the back side. Because see, you can see it's dirty, right? All right, let's do that one. Mom, who knew?
Yeah.
And then slide your fiber across the top. Go left to right at the top because I can see a little strip. Yeah, there you go. Perfect. The multi-tool is great for this too because the multi-tool is flatter. So the multi-tool can reach those edges a little bit better. So I would probably recommend that. Look at that. Okay, squeegee down. Sometimes I do the top first. Yeah. There you go. Perfect. Oh, look at all that black. Look at that. Come on. Slide it sideways, remember? Yeah, there you go. Sideways will take off some of that water. And this is because there was a fire in this house. So just by cleaning these windows, you can see the film that is coming up and it's black.
Wait, let me just.
Come on. How crazy is that? Okay, so now, yep, keep it folded. Wipe that up. Good job. We always need a helper. There you go. Wipe up that black. I'm going to take a video really close. Yeah, look at that. It's going right to the end.
Probably wipe that up.
Let me see. Crazy. A little bit more here. So that's why I say to people the all-purpose medium fiber, it's like 18 paper towels, maybe not, like 180 paper towels stuck together, right? Yep. There you go.
I need that one.
I know. And then the drying fiber in between, and then we can see there's some water here, so we have to make sure to get that.
Yep.
And it's not perfect always the first time, so I always recommend do the window first, especially if there's a lot of film like that. And then after you wash out your fibers, come back and redo the windows for a final.
Oh,
Right?
Okay. That makes sense.
Mm-hmm. Practice makes perfect. This is ADDY's first time doing a window. She helped me do the marble paste at the other house and cleaned up all the cabinets, but first time doing windows. So I think that's pretty incredible for a 9-year-old, eh? Are you happy?
Yeah.
Should we bring ENJO to your classroom at school too? Can you imagine? Because look at this window. See that window?
Yeah.
Compared to that window?
I'm gonna just.
Plus the screen we need to do, right?
Yeah.
Can you pull that window down so we can put it back? There we can
Wait,
see
you should
better.
have kept your X with me right there. Look at my fingers.
There we go.
I just.
Yeah, so now you just need to do the screen outside.
Yeah.
Crazy, eh? Look at the difference between those two windows at the top.